New country, new accommodation. This is my stay at Bedford Congress, Brussels, Belgium. Bedford is 14 minutes walk from Brussels Midi Station. This is where I arrived from Paris. 11 minutes walk to Brussels Central. This is where I taking a train to my train going to Rotterdam. It's close to tourist spots like the Grand Palace, cathedrals, and of course the train stations. Welcome to Brussels. Few minutes away from the hotel. Pwede siya makita. Been walking 10 minutes. I arrived earlier, a bit wet because it's raining outside. So thankful that the receptionist allowed me to check in early. Look, and that's my room. Belgium travel. It's €4. Ang dami pala nila. Here and before Bedford. Glad to stay at Hotel Bedford. The room was so spacious and comfy. It's close to tourist spots and restaurants. The staff allowed me to check in early. The breakfast was superb. And on my last day, since I need to leave early, the staff packed me some breakfast. Thank you so much, Bedford. We'll definitely be back in the future. Thank you so much, Bedford Congress. Thank you so much. Salamat. Salamat, Belgium.